In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot or just looking to integrate your existing domain, you've come to the right place. This process is straightforward, but it does require attention to detail to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive in and get your domain connected. First, head over to the HubSpot website. It's the starting point for everything we're doing today, so open your preferred browser and navigate to HubSpot. Once you're on the site, you'll want to look towards the top right corner for the login button. Go ahead and click on that to begin logging in to your HubSpot account. Now you have a few options to log in, but today we'll be using Google. Simply click on Sign in with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the appropriate account, and you'll be logged in with just a couple of clicks. It's fast and keeps everything secure. After signing in, we need to access the settings. In HubSpot, you'll find the settings option conveniently located at the top right corner as well. Click on it to enter the settings dashboard. Here is where most of the magic happens when it comes to configuring and customizing your HubSpot account. Once inside, navigate to the Tools section. The Tools section can be found directly in the Settings menu. Clicking here will allow us to access the broader configurations needed for domain management. Now, we're getting closer to setting that domain up. Next, locate and click on the Content section. This is an important step as it leads us to the overall structure of your HubSpot. In the Content menu, you'll want to find the option that says Domains and URLs. Clicking on this will bring us to the domain management area. In the Domains and URLs section, look for the button labeled Connect a Domain. Press this, and you'll be guided through the process to link your domain to HubSpot. Enter your domain address in the provided field, and then click Next. This will initiate the connection process. The next step involves verifying your domain. Verification ensures that the domain you're trying to connect is indeed yours. HubSpot will guide you through adding the necessary verification records to your domain registrar. Follow the instructions carefully, and once your domain is verified, HubSpot will take over from there. And finally, you'll see an option to set up your hosting. At this point, simply follow the prompt to configure any additional hosting settings provided by HubSpot. This step ensures your domain is live and ready to use with HubSpot's tools and features. That's a wrap. You've now connected your domain to HubSpot. Feel free to explore the various ways you can leverage this connection to enhance your business efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials to make the most of your HubSpot experience.